Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to be buying a truck off of Facebook Marketplace, and it said the truck was for $2,200, which it looks perfect condition in the photo. I'll pop up a photo if I can of it, but yeah, so let's go and hop in my truck. And yeah, why's my truck acting weird? Okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, good. Okay, so yeah, this truck is like perfect condition, and I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it like looks like really good, but like, yeah, like truck looks like in really good condition. So yeah, if maybe I can like resell it, maybe, but maybe I could like fix it up a little bit, because it don't really need a bit of fixing up, but or I could just keep it for myself. I think I'll do that. But yeah, so if you do want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm on the road to 50 subscribers by the end of the month, which we're almost there. And yeah, so we're turning into the road that he lives on. So I'm gonna make a wild turn. Okay, there we go. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna turn in there, and yeah, let's turn in there right now, and can't wait to see this truck. Is that the truck? Is that the truck? That's the only truck around here? What is that? For $2,200? I don't know if I'll buy that. Hello, is anybody there? Hey, are you, hello? Hello? Oh, hey, okay. Are you, the seller of the, cat eye off Facebook Marketplace, by chance? Okay, you are? Okay, so, could I maybe, like, take it for, like, a test drive, maybe? Okay, thank you. Okay, this was not what it was like in the listing. What is this? Don't even have a bed. So you're gonna get in, or what? Okay, I might just leave without him. I don't think I'm gonna get far with this truck. Come on. There you go. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and go. I'm gonna turn up here, and oh my, what is this truck? Why is it driving like this? Oh my, it's driving really bad. Oh, okay, yeah, I think I had enough. Oh yeah, it's turning off. Like, it's turning, like, on and off, on and off, on and off. Oh, so I don't really know if I really want this. Yeah, it just keeps on turning on and off. Okay, I'm gonna turn back in there. And yeah. Yeah, I just turned it off again. I didn't even turn it off. Okay, there we go. Now that time I actually turned it off. Okay, sir. Will you do 800? We do 800 maybe? Could you maybe do like 800? Yes, okay. Bet that. It probably needs a new, like, probably needs a new frame, paint job, a new, like, bed, or like a, flat bed or something. Probably needs a lot. It needs, like, new rims, because those rims are, ugh. Those rims are not good. I need to put down the deck on my thing, my trailer. Gotta lower it. Yeah. Gotta turn on my lighting so I can see it better. And this thing, it just goes like on and off. Like, it is not good. I should have tried to win try to win like 600. I don't know why I went 800. I don't even know if it's worth 800. But still, like, it's gonna cost a lot to fix it up. Yeah. Well, I can't take it back now. So gotta turn on all my lights. And gotta reverse out of here. And yeah, we should be good. I'm turning on my cargo lights so I can see. Which I don't really care if I lose it. Like, I don't really care. Like, it's. I tried to negotiate him like down to like $20 or something. Like, 'cause like, I don't know. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna make my way to back to the house, and yeah, I'm kind of mad at myself because why did I go 800? Like really, why did I go 800? What was I thinking? So yeah, let's go back to the house, and yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think everything's good. Okay, yeah, everything is good. Okay, let's go now. So yeah, we're almost here at my house, and I don't know. I don't know why I bought this. Oh my gosh. I crashed again. Oh my gosh, I can't drive. So yeah, if y'all did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.